What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. Paul O'Sullivan, more of like exposed Gininda in his book that he wrote, whereby he was bragging, about his investigative duties, etc. So there are so many people who had never seen Gininda, and Paul O'Sullivan, due to this bragging thing, etc., he exposed so many things, the pictures of Gininda, and also a critical detail, whereby he pulled money from his own pocket and paid for the trips for Gininda to do some investigative works against the criminal code, Radovan Krejci. So he paid for funding travels to London and also to Prague, where they were meeting with witnesses there. So it was Paul O'Sullivan, who was paying for these trips and traveling with Gininda himself. So what we are seeing here, is that Gininda was also working with private investigators like Paul O'Sullivan. So this issue is kind of debatable, as to was this a good thing by Gininda to like bring in Paul O'Sullivan to assist him, a private investigator, because the funding was not provided, by this guy called Muno from SAPS, who was the head of detectives. So he had to bring in Paul O'Sullivan for assistance, etc. So other people will be like, no, 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 that's on the edge, he can't be doing that. What is going on? So it's debatable, but this is what Paul O'Sullivan revealed there. I'll catch you guys on the next one.